Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, Transfer Train Solutions, on a Tuesday, 4th of March. Lots of volatility today. Let's get right into the chart again. Give me a thumbs up, put some commentary in there. I've been writing a lot about Bitcoin and everything over the weekend. Let's get right into it right here. So today we had a little bit of a bounce here. You can see the NASDAQ did attempt to bounce, and then just roughly, I don't know, about 20 minutes ago, we had something just hit the market. So, we basically just are trading some of these smaller levels. That level here, people were asking me this morning about the lows. I made mention of the 200-day moving average, and somebody asked me, do you want to buy it here? And I said, well, yeah, that's a level I've been marking off. However, the comment I made, which is, yeah, that's fine, but you've got that against that, and sure enough, we came right into that and fell right back down again. And so I don't think a durable bottom is actually in the markets so far. We've got State of the Union tonight. We've got non-farm payrolls on Friday. Obviously tariffs dominating the whole kind of landscape. Basically the S&P is right back down to the low. So I think we're going to need a spike in the VIX to about 30, 35. I was also watching that today. Looks like the VIX is on its way back up again. I think we're getting close to somewhat of a capitulatory type low, but I think we're still going to need a little bit more selling and people get a little bit more scared as well. So that's on the averages. We're kind of at the lower end of these trading ranges. If we break, by the way, 50, I think if we break 5,700, that's going to really bring some more selling in and so forth. Notables, we get a little bounce on the 10-year today. You can see off some of the levels I've been marking off. The dollar looks like it's ready to break 106. And that obviously is bullish for some of the currencies. And oil possibly also on the brink of breaking 66. That's coming right down. It's trying to bounce off of 66 again. You can see this has been a very strong support area right around the 66, 67 area. In fact, we did bounce off that already today. This is, again, all it is support. It's nothing more than support. It's nothing what you would deem a demand zone, but it is in that area right around here. So we'll see if this actually holds. And nat gas has been on a run. Did pull back a little bit here. Looks like we hit 450 again, which is the level I've been talking about. We'll see what happens there. And then, with tariffs now hitting the grain markets, we're kind of trying to hold on to some of these levels in the grain markets, right around the $10 a bushel level. We'll see if that also is something to look at. But aside from that, again, expect a ton of volatility. I think by the end of the week, if we get one more washout, it'll be, a lot of stocks are coming in. Tesla at 250 would be a great situation. AMD around in the low 90s and so on and so forth. So, okay. Yeah. So I think the bottom line is expect a ton of volatility. I think the selling is still not over and done with. You got to see some panic selling coming in and that type of thing. So look for that. The good news is, if you have a shopping list of stocks, I think those are going to be coming in probably in the next week or so if we get that final washout. So that is kind of where we'll leave it. Okay, have a great rest of your week. And again, give me a thumbs up, put some commentary, subscribe to the newsletter. I have another class coming up, and we'll go from there. Take care.